Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying where most space is used so you can act on the biggest wins first. Scan photo folders and sort by size. Once done, make a single verified backup to an external drive or cloud to protect originals. Next, choose your compression plan, for example, convert to JPEG at 80% or hike, and reduce excessive resolution. This reduces file size meaningfully while retaining acceptable quality. Make sure to keep a note of your chosen settings before converting anything. Once you have backups and settings, run batch conversions to apply them uniformly. You can use ImageMagick, a GUI batch converter, or cloud services. These let you resize to a target longest side like 2048px and set quality to 80. Simultaneously strip unnecessary metadata, GPS, camera logs, unless you need them. If supported, convert to more efficient formats such as Hike or WebP to save extra space. Monitor a sample subset first, so you can tweak quality and resolution. Finally, run deduplication tools to remove exact or near-duplicate images and archive older albums to a cheaper drive or cold cloud storage. Enable selective sync so only active folders stay on device. After optimization, verify a few photos at 100% zoom to ensure quality meets your needs, and keep original backups for at least 30 days in case you need to revert. If colors shift or artifacts appear, reduce compression slightly or retain originals for that set. Reprocess only affected batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.